So all these problems which I shared with you, these are not really, these are such problems which are there for many years. And restaurants, they don't feel it like a problem because they are used to it. It's like normal in current environment. Whereas once you see what is the possibilities, then you realize, okay, these are like limitations currently, and you can overcome this with the help of technologies. So currently we have smartphones, we have tablets, we can use this. How we can use it? Suppose somebody is walking into a restaurant. We can have a big touch screen display outside the restaurant which displays the layout of the restaurant, and it shows you all tables. And suppose you need table for 4 people, you will say, okay, I need table for 4 people. And it will, if there is table available, it will show you all the tables which are available for 4 people. And you can select, and it will show you the direction how you need to walk up to this table. And this table will get reserved for you. Now suppose in case table is not available, then this system will ask you for your mobile number, and it will call you as soon as table is available. And suppose you decide, because you got call after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maybe in this time you decided to go to some other restaurant. So in call you will have option, you want to cancel this. So if you will press, for example, say option 2 to cancel it, or option 1 to accept it. If you choose that option 1, this table will be reserved for you. If you choose option 2, it will be cancelled, and it will be, then call will be made to next person who is waiting for table for 4. Sorry. So once this table is assigned to you, you reach the table. Depending upon the restaurant budget, it can be that there is one dedicated iPad on your table, or it can be Android tablet, or it can be that, like currently, like menu, they give you one iPad on the table to order. And then you see all the dishes on this iPad, and you don't need to worry about what is available, what is not available. Currently with paper menu, sometimes you select some dish and waiter tells you, you know, today this dish is not available. So you need to again find something else. Whereas if something is not available, this menu is digital menu, it will be not be in menu. For example, a chef who makes Mexican food, he's ill today, he's not present. So system administrator, he will hide all the dishes which are Mexican dishes. So those dishes will not be in menu, you will not order it. So once you see, you can see the video of dish, you can see reviews, what kind of comments people have given about this dish earlier, and based on that you can decide yourself what dish you want to order. And still, if you need waiter to help you, like you have button in flight, you press the button and flight attendant comes to you. Similarly, you press a button in application and waiter will come to you, and then you can discuss with her or him whatever you want to discuss, or you can finalize the order yourself and send it to kitchen. So this solution, whole solution which automates everything in restaurant, from table booking to ordering, bill, payment and reviews, it's called Smart Menu.